Although we often talk about dragonflies in general, in truth, there are two suborders of odonats: Anisoptera dragonflies and Zygoptera damselflies. In addition to the fact that dragonflies tend to have larger eyes, one of the most visible differences is found in the wings. In dragonflies, the rear pair of wings is larger than the front pair, while in damselflies, all wings have the same size. Furthermore, damselflies fold their wings against the abdomen when fluttering, whereas dragonflies do not. With around 7,000 species of dragonflies and damselflies that make up the Odonata family, stay with us as we are looking at 10 of the most beautiful odontons in the world. Number 10. Found in the eastern US and southeastern Canada, the male ebony jewel wing is absolutely beautiful with iridescent